Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. So, these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. Sagittarius, I'll have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So, that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have, so you can watch that reading. And Sagittarius, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So, let's start with these cards. So it's birds, house, and mountain. So, in your circumstances today, in your work or in your relationship, you are trying your best. You want to have a positive, meaningful relationship with this person, and you are working towards that, making efforts, but there are certain things challenging you, some things you need to change in your situation today, Sagittarius. You have a lot of challenges you need to overcome, and though you are very friendly, you may have a level of understanding with this person, but certain things are not good, not the way you expected. So, in this love, you are trying to go out of the way, making efforts, trying to change yourself for this person because you love them. And maybe you may have your friends or you may have your family members. You are talking to them, communicating to them about your intentions, about your plans, what you need to do today, and what you want to change. And they may give you some valuable advice and they are suggesting you certain things because they are truly concerned about you. So, if you have someone you can trust, and if this person is telling you something important, you can listen to them, Sagittarius. That is going to help you. That is going to help you avoid some negative situation. So, circumstances will change maybe for some of you if you listen to their advice. So, we will see what is the card. It's mice. So, though this person may look very friendly, kind, understanding, they have their reasons, and that reason may not be love, Sagittarius. And you should be careful with this person because they cannot be trusted and they are here to use you, make use of you financially or for some reason. So you cannot rely on them. And if you believe in this person and if you believe that they have true love on you, Sagittarius, you should give this relationship more time. If you are thinking of marriage or commitment, you must not rush into that decision right now. Maybe you must give them time, give your situation more time. So, that is the energy here for your relationship. We will see what is the card for your career circumstances. Rider. So this is a very positive card, Sagittarius. So you may see a lot of challenges, obstacles in your work, but you are going to overcome all that in a successful way because of your determination and confidence. So a very good news is waiting for you today. And something beautiful is coming in your situation, in your career. And again, this is a very auspicious card, guys. So maybe Sagittarius, this person will come back, say sorry for all they did or whatever happened, and maybe there is a chance of reconciliation. Something good will come for you in your situation today. So that is the energy with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So for those who chose this card, the children of Lyre, voice. So in your circumstances today, in your relationship, you are an eternal being. You should never forget that. So your lifetimes will change, your form will change from one life to another, and you need to understand that your soul is on a journey and you are more than what is happening in this lifetime. So you are a very old soul and you have to travel so far. And very soon you will understand that the part of this present journey you are taking is something important, something that is going to change everything for you, change your vision or change your understanding. And you are evolving into a better person, altering yourself. And you are following your soul's journey. So, whatever circumstances you see right now, that is part of your soul's journey, and these circumstances are here for a reason, to make yourself evolve into a better being every day. And whatever troubles you are seeing today is coming to an end very soon. All your suffering, pain is coming to an end. And if you had some burdens, some worries, you are going to see a release from those burdens and worries very soon. And you need to understand that though your voice, your form may differ, your voice will always be true to your, true to you. It will not change. So whatever you are will come out in your words, and you will be loved for what you are. So your form is not important. So maybe some of you, you may feel a little, you may have a low self-esteem because of your form. But you need to understand that you are a unique being and you are loved for what you are. So you should never feel bad about what you are or expressing what you truly are today. So that is the energy with this card for you all today. So we will see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, beyond the threshold of fear. So with this card in your circumstances, you are breaking out of some self-imposed fear, something that was holding you back. It may be your conscious, or it may be your consciousness, or it may be some circumstances that was holding you back from taking the steps you are now taking. And it may feel a little strange, it may feel something new, uncertain, and exciting. And because you are stepping into something new, you have never been in this place before without fear, without worries, and it is feeling a little different for you now. So you are the witness today, not the victim. And you need to understand that you must follow your heart, whatever your heart is telling you. Trust in your vision and do not let fear hold you back or obstruct your vision. So you can see what you need to see today if you do not have that fear and take that leap of faith, living life in a very free way. And you need to understand that without this fear, you are just going to feel more cheerful, happy, confident in yourself. And you are going to feel powerful today. So, inspiration, confidence will overwhelm you if you give up some fear that is holding you back from enjoying life today, guys. That is the energy here with this card for you all, for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.